Okay guys, short video where I am at the moment. It's a car graveyard. There's models all years, all shapes and sizes, trucks, tractors, rally cars, all buried. There's all sorts of buried in this place. But I'm going to try and show you this gem that I just found inside this lock-up. And this stuff has been left since the 90s, a lot of this. They're full of trash over here guys, but built in the 50s, a lot of these. This is one of the old, a lot of people want to see one of these, but it's the old bubble car. Oh, that nice was. Anyway, I'll show you this guys quick. This is mad. Look at the door on these. There's no side doors on these things. Look at the big headlights. Just trying to get around all the rubble. Look at the stuff that's left in here guys. Everything's just left to nature. All overgrown. Car spares. Oh, look at this gem here guys. This is what's known as a bubble car. I think they started off early 50s. No headlights. But look at the door on this. That's how you get in guys. Load of trash inside. The old steering wheel. All the workings that go straight down there. Tiny little engines. I believe they're like a little motorcycle engine up there. The freewheelers, Reliance and all that sort of thing. A lovely colour as well. But this is so rare guys. Look at that. What a gem this is. Absolutely amazing. I just found some clothes in this old newspaper here as well. Look. The date on that is November 11th, 1990 guys. That's probably when this place was last used, around that time. Look at this. You can't even see the seats. I don't know if the seats are folded back or what. But so much trash in there. Probably a load of rats in there as well, but how rare is that guys? And that is how you get in and out of this machine. This front door here. I'll try and show you that. I don't know if you can see any of that. 300. There you go. That's the name of it. Well strange, isn't it? Well rare as well. That is amazing, isn't it guys? Look at that. How rare is that? And that door handle on the front and the old door, you just lift, step inside the front of it. The old registration. Worth a few grand even in this state guys. The old headlights, side indicators, and that is it. Crazy, isn't it? The other headlights on there. So it's pretty much complete this really. Looks like it. A nice restoration job. And also the side of this guys. It's a lovely old motorcycle, an old Triumph. Probably 70s or 80s maybe. And motorcycle guys out there who know, let us know in comments what you think this might be, what year it is. No engine or anything, so there's so much stuff in these places around here. How rare is that? So you've got the old Triumph, got an old truck here full of spares, old trailer, and this is just amazing. I'd like to show you this, the old bubble car guys. Try and get a better view for you. Look at that, absolutely crazy. 2 wheels on the front, 1 wheel on the back. It's not even open. No, that would have been the filler cap. But stands about 4 foot high, this thing. Absolutely mad. Anyway, there's more to show you about. There's some more old bits around here, but I'm not sure if I can get the access around or not. Some old bikes. I think there's some old motorbike over in the corner, but I can't get to it. Crazy, isn't it? So guys, we'll leave that one over there. Don't think we're going to see anything there at all. I'll just, this gym here guys, absolutely amazing. Right, let's get back out in the wilderness for a minute. Let's see if I can show you a bit more while I'm on the old rally cars. Now, the last time I come here it was in the dark, pitch black, so you couldn't see a lot. But there are cars everywhere. There's more over in the trees over the back there. But all these have just been left. Not sure if it's just been left. No one owns it now. All the land's just waste. Trucks and all sorts. I'll try and get through here. Show you a bit more. And here's a lovely old boat as well, which I saw last time. There's another truck there. So much just been left in here. Anyone needs old cars or boats? Look at that old speedboat, guys. All original. I'd say late 60s, early 70s. Look at the old screen on it as well. Lovely, isn't it? I don't know what else is around here. Try and show you. Boat's in good nick actually, really good nick, trailer and everything. Wow, no, not a lot else this side. Crazy, isn't it? So many bits, some tools, spares, car spares, everything. Everything's just left. Look at that, guys. Oh, a lovely old speedboat. That's worth a few grand. Nice. Just sitting here wasting away. Crazy. That's mad, isn't it? A lovely little find this is. Yeah, last time I came in was dark, so I didn't see a lot of it properly. Old vintage child's bike, maybe 70s as well. Bike frame. Not much else around here. Let's head back out this side if I can. Bit wobbly. Across all this. Now there is a freewheeler over here as well, if I can get to it without making too much noise. There's loads of cars there, quite late some of them. Yeah, Mary's just left. There's about, I'd say another 4 cars over the back of these ones that are sitting here, but they're all in the undergrowth. Nice old truck. Wasting away there too. And this one here, another classic. What's left of our MG sports car under all that lot. Sadly the roof's come down over it all. It's a shame. I'll show you what I can of it. What a shame, isn't it? I don't know if you can see that, guys. Buried in all the rubble. What a shame, I don't know what else is over there. Anyway. So much stuff going on. That's an old Leyland truck, obviously. And over here's the old freewheeler. More bikes. More cars. The old freewheeler buried over there. It's all collapsing. I'll try and get a bit closer for you. There's a three-wheeler van. Down there. Over there beyond all this lot is an old tractor as well. A bit difficult getting over there at the moment, so okay guys, managed to get a bit closer to this three-wheeler over the other side, the old three-wheeler van. I'm going to show you this while I can, what is left of it. Another rare gem in this place. You probably can't see a lot with all the trees and stuff. This is it, guys. Take some of that away so I can show you. There you go. The old Reliant three-wheeler. I don't know what year this is, but it's very early. Another rare gem. So you've had the bubble car. You've had this Reliant van. You had the MG. What else have we got here? Quite a few old classics anyway. All the other stuff that's buried that we can't get to. Amazing if we could see what's under it all. It's so overgrown, this graveyard, guys. Car graveyard of our classics. Look at that. The old three-wheeler van. Okay, that's a little treat for you guys that are into old cars. glad I managed to get over a bit nearer. I'll show you this one. There you go. On to the next bit. There's an old Mini just over there. I'll try and get back. Back over this side. So risky because there's a garden back onto this yard. Probably one of those sitting out in the gardens, it's so nice. But there you go, guys. I'll give you a glimpse of what else is over here, but I'm not showing you the rarest cars. Old Astra. I'll show you back in there. The old bubble car over there, guys. Crazy, isn't it? That's it, I think. Old cars for rallying. Used a few years ago. Another old car, another old Fiat. There's a few bits and pieces here as well. Not a lot left in this workshop. Nice old drill. Everything is just left. Everything's just left standing there and nature taking over and reclaiming everything what's on the land. I'll go over here a little way, but it's so hard to get across here, guys. I'll show you a little bit. Some of this. If you're liking the video, covered in nettle rash, thorns in the legs and all sorts. Sorry about that, kids outside the yard. Right. More old cars. Cars buried under here, bits and pieces of cars. Another old car under there. Lots of bits in there, another car in the background. Another truck of some sort. There's all sorts of cars everywhere. There's even some under here. Buried under all this lot. I won't show you that bit. The old TAC Disco 5 on that. So it could have been running maybe early 2000s maybe. I don't know. And then it's all been shut up. I know the owner died. And I think around 2012, but I'm not totally sure. An old bike or something under there. There's so much stuff. Another car buried in there. There's a lot of 80s cars here. Pretty much. Some 90s cars. Trucks and stuff. But that's it, guys, for now. And not a lot else I can show you at the moment. I think that's the last building yet. So I think we covered most of it. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one. Cheers, guys. In for that shot there. A favourite classic in this abandoned place. The old bubble car.